I didn't mean to traumatize my mom with my new steam cleaner, but unfortunately, that's what happened today. She was not expecting the wrath of 1,000 suns coming out of this thing at 230 degrees. She asked if it would work on her window tracks and that she said she had never cleaned them in the last 12 years that they've lived here. The answer is yes, if you couldn't already tell. It blasted the dirt out of these impossible to reach places in like 2 seconds, and then it got even better when we switched to the brush head to scrub off the rest of the scum. She said this was great but very embarrassing. By the way, it's currently on a flash sale for only 2 more days, so if you want to get your house this clean, run, don't walk. So then we had fun with the other 10 attachments that it comes with, and her bathroom tile grout, and especially her kitchen. Oh my gosh. This was me asking her if she had cleaned her microwave filter recently, and she said, "What do you mean microwave filter?" Oh boy. Do you know you have to clean your microwave filter? It was so nasty, we decided to spell her name in the gunk, and my dad started laughing and doing that thing where he acts uninterested in the doorway and then starts asking too many questions, so we made him do the rest. Anyway, we had a literal blast with this thing, and we were able to get spots in her house cleaned that have never been touched. Don't forget, it's on sale for only $47 for only 2 more days, so run and grab it now, either for Christmas gifts or just for yourself if you want. I didn't